If the leader is not giving the feedback, what will happen? Employee didn't improve. Problems are going to be increases. Finally, big damage is going to be happen. The leader has to give the feedback. Then only employee is going to get improvement. Problems are not going to be reduced. Problems are, if you are not giving the feedback, problems is going to be increases. On find a big damage is going to be happen. Leader don't know, because if he's not talking with the employees, if you are not giving the feedback, there is another problem is also there. Leader don't know employee struggles, employee confusion, employee workload. Once he started giving the feedback, then employee from his side also, what problems I'm facing is going to tell. So that by sort out that, his improvement will be there. Overall business growth by default will be there. Here the problem is communication. Just one conversation is missing. Two-way communication must be required. Just listen your employees. You know, there is one excellent book is there. Robin Sharma, The Leadership Wisdom. The Leadership Wisdom, Robin Sharma, wonderful book. In that, being leader or being owner, how you will be with the employees? Like, he told one point. How many years are there? Years. How many are there? Why you are thinking that much, man?
Two
I'm
years.
asking any 2 years. How many mouth? How many things are there? Only
One
one.
mouth.
Only one. Okay. So before talking, listen. Ask your employee. Can you please talk? How the things going on? What about your family? How you are feeling comfortable? Do you require any support? If you require anything, please let us know. Don't worry. Like you can talk, and then later, at the last finishing touch, yeah, you are doing excellent. But one small correction I'm expecting from your side. This is a small correction. Can you please do that? So that in the next we are not required to talk about this one. I'm expecting this small thing only from your side. Like listen more than talking. Wow, wonderful series. On fine day, definitely I'm going to take. If you are in leader position, if you are in business owner position, leadership wisdom, excellent book. Okay, we will discuss, come up with that. Don't worry at all.
I think
So,
in this how to win friends and influence people, I think it refers this point, sir. Like, but
yes,
instead of but we need to use some different word. It says like we need to say like something else,
correct.
not to give negative indication or something.
Negative
But it's like a
indications,
negative.
no. If it is compulsory, to tell, then automatically in the some what we call in cinematic way, you require to you require to communicate. So the way of communication is very simple. So I did suppose what mistake is doing. I did this mistake, but I faced these problems. At the early stages of mine. I did these type of problems only. Okay, like then automatically he's going to realize what mistake he's doing, what problems he's going to face.
Yeah.
Getting the point? You are not required to tell directly, because no one is going to accept their mistakes in the world. No one is going to accept their mistakes in the world. You are not required to tell directly. That's why I'm telling you are doing wonderful, man. Excellent. Small thing. Because the same mistake I did in my career, I lost like anything. So don't do this small mistake. Why don't you think about this? If you are going to correct, you are already doing 99.99% best. That 0.01%, why we have to worry? Shall we correct that also? If you are telling directly, hey, why you did that? Why you did this? Oh, he's going to tell 1,000 reasons for that. No one in the world accept their mistake. You have to, if it is compulsory, you require to convey in smooth, understandable form, in the most convinced way. You have to communicate. That thing must be required. Remember carefully. Okay? Two-way communication must be required. Conversation must be required. You require to listen more before talking. Just a casual discussion. what is problems, what is issues, automatically will come, man, without asking. Then think about, try to find the solution first for the problem what is facing. And then you can ask about your issues. N is in a position to listen. Getting right?